Hey guys, what's going on? Kyle with HOGWORKZ here. Today we're going to be giving you a rundown of our dual Halomaker headlight for 98 to 13 Harley-Davidson Road Glide models. This is a full projection LED setup designed to dramatically increase visibility and rider safety while adding style to your ride. These lights feature a Halo DRL, which help motorists see your bike sooner from side and front viewing angles. HOGWORKZ LED headlights are plug and play and include all the parts required for installation on 98 to 2013 road glides. Best of all, our LED headlights are covered under our lifetime warranty. This is the last light you'll need to buy for your bike. Today we'll be installing on a 2010 road glide, which only requires removal of the headlight bezel. For 98 to 09 models, you'll need to remove the outer fairing and install the supplied support bracket. Let's jump into the installation.
For 2010 to 2013 Road Glide models, remove the two headlight assemblies from the base plate. For 2010 to 2013 Road Glide models, remove the front bezel. There are 4 tabs, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Remove the 2 OEM headlight assemblies. There are 4 screws around the perimeter of each light. Then, unplug the factory harness. Connect the HOGWORKZ Halomaker assembly. The Halo DRL is pre-wired to work on both high and low beam settings. Secure each assembly with the 4 screws. Reattach the headlight bezel. Engage the 2 tabs in the bottom and then pop in the 2 tabs at the top.